Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or better yet, your channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the location and firing order of the cylinders in a 3.7-liter six-cylinder Ford Mustang from the years 2011 to 2017. Here we have an example of an engine from that vehicle. In order to accurately determine the specific location and the firing order of the cylinders, the very first thing we need to do is position yourself directly in front of the vehicle, carefully open the hood, and take a close look at the layout of the front of the engine. Now, once we are positioned and looking directly at the front of the engine block, we can carefully locate the specific cylinders as follows. Over on the right-hand side of the unit, you'll find cylinders 4, 5, and 6, while over on the opposite left-hand side, you'll find cylinders 1, 2, and 3. Driver's side is the right, and passenger side is the left. The firing order would be as follows. First, cylinder number 1 fires, which is on the left side, the passenger side. As I mentioned before, this is always assuming you're standing in front of the vehicle. Next, cylinder number 4 fires. Then, cylinder number 2 fires. After that, cylinder number 5 fires. After that, cylinder number 3 fires. And finally, cylinder number 6. Alright folks, I don't have anything else to add. See you in the next video tutorial. See you soon.